Well, hello, folks. I'm John Mystery. Today we got a juicy mystery. This guy went out in the woods for some reason. He was found murdered in the woods. But by a person or his own stupidity? Well, let's find out in today's mystery show. John Mystery, the Mysterious Mystery Series with John Mystery. Mystery 1, Episode 1, The Mysterious Case of Lane Thompson. John Mystery. John Now, Mystery. If I were to guess, this fella went out in the woods to feel free. I guess I got this from that clip here that I'm gonna show. I went out in the woods so I could feel free. First thing, that was pretty dumb. As you can see in the rest of the footage, you can see he's severely underprepared. Now, if I were to guess, this here journey was inspired by that one here feller known as a Chris McCandless. That a folk went out of Virginia and traveled out into the West for some reason. Called it some great adventure. Then he went to Alaska, and then he died because he didn't have no food, or something like that. I got this assumption from this clip right here. I was inspired by this guy, Chris McCandless. He left Virginia, traveled out on a great adventure out west. Then he went to Alaska, and he ended up dying of starvation. That's not gonna happen to me. I'll survive because I'm better. He claims he can survive, but that ain't no mystery for John Mystery. Seems that a folk was wrong. Dead wrong. Literally. Now that we solved that part of this here mystery, let's watch the rest of this here footage. Maybe the final mystery can be solved. John Mystery. Now, as you may tell, this guy definitely didn't know what he was doing. He just wandering. Either he sucked at typing, or he really sucked at filming type. Now, you can tell that this is the final footage. He definitely was a hurtin'. Probably ran out of them food just like that here Chris McCandless. That's wild stuff. Some into the wild stuff. Now, I think I solved this here mystery. Lane Thompson died of overambition and lack of survival skills. Now an evil serial killer on the loose. Now, that is a mystery assault. Now, that's it for today, folks. That's all I got for you on the story of Lane Thompson. Stay tuned for the episode 2. Is Skylar Quigley really the Antichrist? I guess we'll have to say. John Mystery, signing off. John Mystery, John Mystery, John Mystery, John Mystery, John